Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back. Lachlan Ellsworth here, Senior Client Advisor for TradersInternational.com. Now, ladies and gents, last Friday night I ran a Delta Fast familiarization session in the Traders International emini trading room, and guys, let me tell you, the response has been absolutely phenomenal. The number of questions, a number of inquiries we've got coming into the office is absolutely wonderful. You know, I can see many traders out there in the Traders International ranks that are very, very keen to trade the European cash market, very keen to take advantage of this market as it moves. And one of the reasons that I'm going to take you across the test bench today is just show you how powerful these moves are, and also show you how we are preparing the trading rooms right now to take advantage of these moves. Now, this test bench, guys, this is the live chart, Tuesday 15th of June 2010. Now, this is a 4-hour session from 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. overnight time. Now, this is where we're actually basing most of our research on the delta signal itself, simply because it gives us an absolutely stunning trading opportunity. Now, speaking of stunning, we've actually got 4 signals that I want to go through on the market from last night. Now, the first one is over here to the left-hand side. Okay, so the first delta that actually triggered for the night was in fact a delta long. Now, we've noted with the European market that when it runs, if it flies, absolutely fantastic. But if it doesn't fly, normally it recoils back against us. So we've got an auto trailing stop in place on this particular trade. Now, as it turns out, for the delta fast, we're looking at a 6-point auto stop. So as soon as the markets move 6 points, your stop will actually tighten to protect your downside to -2. Now, that's exactly what happened on this particular trade here. First trade for the day, that's exactly what happened. Now, the interesting point is, we would have taken a full stop out on that trade if we had have actually persisted with the bracket strategy. So we're going to be starting to make the trading, particularly on the Delta Fast, guys, a lot more dynamic. So there's going to be some great trading opportunities, but also some great learning experiences over the next 6 or so months as we bring the Delta Fast in properly. Now, if we move to the second Delta Long, that one's actually gone straight to its profit target, as has the third, as has the fourth Delta for the night. We've actually got a red arrow in the middle of the screen here. That is in fact a bad fill, which we don't trade. That one, sure, it worked, but the vast majority do not. So we've got to be really careful of those trades. Now, we've got basically on the chart here, we've got 1 partial loser and 3 winners, and I want to take a note of the winners. The winners have actually gone well beyond the 8% target, and what we're currently testing, ladies and gents, is whether we're going to be using a 6 and a 16 or a 6 and a 24 point target for those trades. So you'll basically have a power trade strategy of +6 and maybe +18 or +24. Now, just to bring your attention to these two center delta longs, both of them have gone up to the 6 and the 24s very easily. So a conservative trader last night would have had -2, 8, 8 and 8. An aggressive trader could have -2 and look, an aggregate of 18, 18, 18. So we could have actually had a ball last night. And guys, that'll give you an idea of why we are so excited about what we are developing for you right now as Traders International clients. Now, the key point, ladies and gents, a lot of the Traders International signals that we're using are contrarian signals. They're absolutely brilliant at picking up the market when we're going to have a reversal. But reality is, what happens if we don't have a reversal? This is why we've done so much work into what we refer to as a trend hunting signal. If the market is going to trend, particularly a cash market, just like they love to trend, then there's no reason why we can't jump on that trend, provided we have a signal set and provided we have an exit and an entry strategy for you to use. Now, this is what we are testing, ladies and gents, right now, in combination with the standard TI continuation signal on the Euro Stoxx 50. Now, there are going to be some changed rules to that continuation signal, and the backtesting team are working on that for us right now. I think very exciting times are ahead, guys. This is what we've been working on for 6.5 or 7 months. We already have the Delta Slow in place. That's on the 22,000 volume chart. And last week we had 3 from 3 trades. So basically 3 winners, which was a great little introduction to what we were doing. So far this week, I believe on the Delta Slow, we've had 1 loser and no trigger last night. So we'll wait to see what happens tonight, being Wednesday the 16th of June. Now, guys, I will be running another session, another Delta Fast session live in the market on Friday night at 7:30 p.m. in the eminie's trading room. So if you would like to join me for that session, it'll run for about an hour and it'll give you a great opportunity to ask a heap of questions about what we're doing, what are the time frames, how long is it till we get the Delta, all that kind of stuff. The fact is, ladies and gents, time frame wise, you will get it as soon as it is ready. I'm actually anticipating, if everything goes as planned, to actually have this in the trading room as part of a forward test for you as early as the start of July. So it'd be a wonderful turn to the financial year to have this in place. Now, what we'll do, ladies and gents, is I'll leave you with the screenshot. We've had basically one partial loser and three full winners. Noting that those full winners, you could have taken some significant money off the market. It's why we're excited, ladies and gents, and this is why we're putting so much time and energy into developing this signal for you. Have an absolutely great trading week, and I'll update you on the test bench on a Friday night session. Thanks, ladies and gents, and bye for now.